Your next adventure starts right here at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals with our 2024 Mitsubishi RVR SEL 4x4. Perfect for life in Fredericton and all across New Brunswick, this SUV is as versatile as your lifestyle. From city streets to snowy back roads, our RVR handles it all with all-wheel drive confidence, a fuel-efficient four-cylinder engine, and features that make every drive comfortable and safe. Imagine heated front seats that make winter commutes cozy, blind spot monitoring for stress-free highway drives, and a rear-view camera that simplifies parking anywhere. Add in premium alloy wheels, a touchscreen display, Bluetooth connectivity, and remote keyless entry. And you've got a ride that's designed with modern life in mind. At Jim Gilbert's, you'll also enjoy our 12-month Huggable Guarantee, a full tank of gas on delivery, VIP perks, zero-down financing, and even a chance to win free gas. All of this, plus friendly service that makes car buying fun. With payments under $128 a week, taxes and fees included, this RVR is an amazing deal. Stop by today and feel the huggable difference.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the